slowly now, steady lift. Roger that, surface. Clearance is good on the left side.
Take it up slow, slow. We are approaching the handoff dadium.
Confirm stable, no rotation. Hold position.
Watch the starboard line. Easy now, easy.
Steady as she goes, we have it balanced. Watch the front fascia corner alignment. Slow and steady. Clear on the alignment. Set her down gently. That's as clean as it's going to get.
Look at the depth of that pitting near the bracket. We should report this immediately.
Watch the runoff down there. All right, keep it steady.
Laser alignment shows 7 degrees of distortion. Confirmed. Thickness is below specification at the flange.
All right, take the strain slowly. Shackles are set, clear on this side. Yeah. Hold it steady right there for the measurement. All right, easy on the hoist. All right. Copy that, watching the clearance on the front axle now. Looks good.
Hold it steady. Almost there.
The chains are taut, it's secured.
The laser shows severe distortion at the bogey anchor point. Recording the hazard condition now. Pitting is extensive. Cross-referencing the data now. The pitting exceeds tolerance at this connector group.
Confirmed. Document that for the inventory entry. Okay, connector sequence is clear. Engaging hydraulics for the lift now. Watch the cradle.
It's free. Watch the clearance as we swing it over. Setting it down on the index support now.
The separation is complete. The corrosion was extensive. Casing is intact. Moving it to the support now.
Clear on the left side. Okay, slowly lowering now. Watch the alignment pins.
Place the dehumidifier right here, just outside the barrier.
Got it. I'll plug it in now.
The extraction axis is clear. Set her down gently on the indexed support. Job well done.
Runout is currently at 0.02.
Recorded. Pressure engaging now.
Holding steady. The correction is complete.
Got it. Documenting the hazard condition on the flange now.
Keep that steady. Increasing the tension now.
It's holding firm.
And there's the click. Witness mark confirmed. Reading the clearance now. Confirmed. Within tolerance. We're looking for consistent readings across the rotation. 0.05, right within the documented tolerance. Reading at 0.05.
Confirmed. It's a pass. We are stable at 200 psi. The clearance is exactly 0.015. Confirmed. The alignment looks correct.
Almost there. Keep it steady.
Torque reached. That's the specification.
Okay, that's seated. Checking continuity now. It's verified.
Continuity verified on the low beam circuit. All wires routed and secured, boss. Looks solid. Let's power it up.
Okay, check the left low beam now.
Got continuity there, solid connection. Now for the high beam.
That edge needs to be perfectly secure.
Almost there. The stitching looks good against the Scania geometry. Alignment looks good here. Clearance is within spec. Go ahead with the torque. Set to 75. Applying the witness mark now. Job done. Loom clip secured and the alignment is spot on. Continuity test passed. This section is complete. Upper attachment face cradles aligned.
Continuity test passed. Routing is secure.
Okay, reaching torque specification now.
Alignment confirmed.
Good job, the witness mark is visible.
Pressure is holding steady at the panel connection, no drops.
Confirmed. Temperature sensors are stable across the matrix. I'm logging the final readings now.
Braking telemetry is stable. Pressure gauge confirmed nominal.
Steering response holding steady at 200 kPa.
Brakes engaging smoothly. No pull noted.
Confirmed on telemetry, driver. Readings are stable.